So this is my teardown in of this guitar Fender Frontman 10G. So it's already opened. So actually this unit is for repair. There is the fuse there. It's the main capacitor. Then there's the TDA 2030 IC. So this is the fuse. So only 400 milliampere. It's a slow blow fuse. It's already busted because its transformer is 120 volts like this. There it is. There's the components here. So this location, this here, this is where the fuse is being placed. Its transformer is 120 volts. This is the speaker. I will update you guys if it's working. If I change the fuse, then I'll try to then convert it to 20 volts because it's 120 volts here. And then, so be careful when opening this in the back side because okay, this one input. There is the gain, overdrive button, volume, treble, bass. So it's a practice guitar amp. Then this is the cover. So be careful when opening, guys, because some will chip out this that plywood. It's a low quality plywood actually. There is the back. It has actually these four screws here is the only ones who's holding the amp. These other two here, this one, these two, it's just only for this sticker here. For this sticker, it's used to hold this sticker. So here is the plug, 3-gang plug. Then thank you. I will update you if it's repaired. I will post a video.